there, welcome to the second part of building your landing page on the Thinkific Empire theme. In my first video, I showed you how to take a blank landing page and then add a banner section and a product section. The idea behind this is that once you build your landing page, people will sort of see this whole picture of your site and who you are and your brand. And then they have the opportunity to see the products that you're offering. Now I'm going to continue building upon this landing page so that you can see the different ways that you can showcase to your audience what you have to offer beyond products and give your audience a little bit more context as to your background. So I want to click on, remember when you're in here, you want to add a section. And this is where this will give me a lot of different choices. And so it can be very overwhelming at first. So let's just take it one step at a time. I've taken the banner and added the banner at the top, and now I've added the all products section. Now I want to give a little bit more frequently asked questions in here. And this will come after it, but let's just say I don't like, let me save it, but looking at this, I don't like the fact that the FAQ is after the product section. If I want to move the FAQ, I just want to hover over to this here to where these dots are and look for this cross arrow, and then it allows me to move it up. And now you can see that the FAQ is after my banner image. I'm going to save it. And here in the FAQ, I can decide to customize the heading. Let's just say I don't like FAQ. I can just say most frequently asked questions. And say answers to your common questions. Now, what I'm going to do is then look at the layout. I'm not going to touch too much, but if I wanted to, I can remove padding and then also collapse it by default. And just a tip of word, the collapse by default just means that this is hidden. Because sometimes when people land on your page, they see a lot of different things and they just want to ignore the FAQs. And you can kind of quote unquote collapse and or hide the FAQs to go straight to direct people to your product offerings. But let's just go to the FAQs. This could be question 1, and these texts can all be customized. And this is the beauty of Thinkific and how easy they try to make it. I know it's challenging at first, but the idea is to make it as easy as possible. So I've already changed it to say question 1, and then I didn't really change the answer, but the idea is if I wanted to add more FAQs, I can add more FAQs. Let's just say this FAQ is more important to highlight. Again, I can hover and move it above. Let's just say I don't like this one. I can delete it. And so the really gives you a lot of options to customize and play with the look. So I'm just going to say this because this is a quick overview. And then go back to this page here. And remember that so far this landing page has a banner, the FAQ, and my product offerings. If I really like the FAQs, and let's just say after my product sections, I want to add another FAQ, then I can copy a section. And if this is too confusing, I would not copy it because I think it can be overwhelming. But if I wanted to copy a section from like a previous landing page for a different course, then I can choose the site builder page and just say home page. But because I haven't built it, then there's no option here. So I'm just going to click out of that and cancel. But let's just say I really like the FAQs again. I can also, if I ever wanted to, add the FAQs again, because sometimes buyers may have a lot of questions and it's helpful to repeat the FAQ section. So I hope this helps, and let me keep going and show you that now you can continue to do other aspects of your landing page, which I think is important, which is the call to action. So in the call to action, as you see, this is really just where you really encourage and get your buyers to commit and purchase the product. All the text that you see here, like call to action, and this is where you seal the deal. This is all to let you know that this is just default. You can customize it in this text section. If you don't like this get started button, you can click on this button and change the text. The idea is to give you a lot of choices into expanding and showcasing your products to get buyers to buy. So I hope that helps. Thanks again, and leave a comment or question if you want to know more.